Welcome to Simply Excel. In this video I'm going to show you a handy little tip where you can press enter but stay within the cell that you're working on. Let's take a look at an example of where you might use this. Say I'm calculating my total order value for each row. I just type in my formula of units sold multiplied by unit price. If I then press enter, Excel's moved me down onto the next row. So if I want to copy this, I have to click on that cell and then double click to copy down. To make things slightly quicker, what I can do is type my formula in, and then instead of just pressing enter, I'm going to hold down the control key and press enter at the same time. And you'll see that it's entered the formula into the cell, but it's kept that cell highlighted. Then all I need to do to copy it down is come to this bottom right hand corner and double click. I hope you found this little time-saving tip useful. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.